Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, select your crumb texture and set 3 stations so you don't interrupt the flow. Use day-old white or panko for crunch. Pulse to coarse crumbs about 3 to 4 millimeters so they cling. Once done, fold in salt, pepper, and a teaspoon of paprika for base flavor. Make sure to chill the crumbs briefly. Cold crumbs pick up egg better. Begin the first pieces immediately so you can test adhesion and adjust seasoning before you coat the full batch. You now bread each piece methodically. Pat the chicken dry, then dredge in seasoned flour to give the egg something to bind to. Dip into an egg wash made of 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of milk. Let excess drip, then press into crumbs so they adhere evenly. Once done, set on a rack and for extra crispness repeat the egg and crumb step one more time. Make sure to press firmly but gently. Pressing seals gaps, while overworking will compress crumbs and reduce crunch. You finish by cooking to a safe internal temperature. Fry at 350 to 360 degrees Fahrenheit or bake at 200 degrees Celsius until the center reaches 74 degrees Celsius. Once done, place pieces on a wire rack to drain and rest for 5 minutes. This preserves crispness. Make sure to season immediately with flaky salt. If crumbs shed during cooking, chill the breaded pieces for 10 to 15 minutes before cooking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.